Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me, Shathi. Today I cannot decide till now what eye look I should create, but I'm gonna create something with this Juvia's Masquerade Large palette. Okay, after opening this palette, my eyes got stuck on this color called Zola, and I love this color also. Okay, so I'm gonna do something with these two shades, definitely. And maybe I'm gonna use some more shades also. So let's try out. So I need to prime my eyelids first. So I'm gonna use this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Okay, so I'm taking this color called Bori. This is a very bright pink shade. And I'm just going to apply that. I can create some spotlight eye makeup with these shades. I'm gonna take this color also. This is called Zobo. I'm going to place that color on my crease. Now switching to this brush, and I'm just blending the edge without taking any extra color. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using the same concealer, this one. And now taking this flat brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna take this color called Dahlia. And I'm gonna place that color here. It's a very vibrant shimmery blue shade. Wow. I'm going to place that here also. Now again I'm taking this fluffy brush and taking this color, and I'm just blending with that blue shimmery shade. Now I'm going to take this color, this is called Zola, and I'm going to place that in the middle. So now I'm going to tighten up my low waterline, and I'm going to be using this Absolute New York White Gel Liner. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm going to do exactly same what I have done on my upper lash line. And now the blue shade just to add on. And to highlight my eyebrow bone, using this shade called Giza. So now I'm going to complete my this eye. I'm gonna put some falsies, and I'll be right back. To give some more vibrant look, I'm gonna add some glitters from this Delancey palette. I'm going to take this glitter, just a little bit, and I'm going to stamp in the middle section. I'm going to add this glitter in my inner corner. Now I'm going to add some blush, and I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette. Now it's time to add some highlighter, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant highlighter palette. And for lips, I'm going to use this Nicka lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. And now I'm going to add some gloss. Now I'm gonna use this MAC Fix Plus to set my whole makeup. So here is the look completed. I'm quite happy with the color combination which I have created, and you guys please let me know, do you like this color combination? Do you like this glitter application, or do you like this whole look or not, in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated whenever I upload any new videos. And here I'm sharing my previous works. You may like to watch this also. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video also. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.